Hi there, my name is Nikos. In case you don't know me, I'm trading stocks and Forex since 1999. Actually, Forex I started after 2000, and I'm also founder of the Spartan Trader Academy, which is around for many years now. And I'm proud to say that we helped hundreds of traders from over 80 countries. So this is something I really like to do, helping other people achieving their trading goals. I'm talking about short-term and long-term goals in trading. Why is it so important and why do I like it? I don't know, my nature, I'm a teacher. I'm teaching music actually. I was teaching music years ago, also playing as a musician for many years in Greece, so had a lot of fun. And I also always like to teach other people, you know, what I knew. It's just what I do. I like it. I enjoy it. I have passion for it. Okay, so just to solve that problem, because there's often, every second email I get is like, why do you trade? Why do you teach when you trade? And things like that. So I'll get into that later on. But first of all, what do we do here at the Spartan Trader Academy is really trying to combine the technical part of trading, okay, what we think, the brain, and also the connection between our emotions, the thoughts, and the technical part. So put it all together. Yeah. The biggest problems that traders have is not really understanding the charts. The charts are one part on this side, let's say. Okay. So we have to get the skills. We need the understanding to see what is everybody doing. Why is the price going up? Why is it going down? Where are the signals, the entry? So the Spartan system is not only giving you like, okay, entry levels and stops. It's really trying to help you understand, or we are trying to help you understand what others do, why they do it. Why do you see a chart going up like crazy? Why do you have a change? Where do you find the entries? Where do you trail, or how do you trail your account protection orders, which is called stop loss, bad word, but that's how it is. Where to take profits? Why do we have to leave positions running? Why do we have to maximize profits? All these things, this is the technical part, and those are skills that we need to know. But the most important part is the emotional part, because what happens when you trade, all the bad stuff inside really gets out when you start losing some trades. The fear, the greed, the other emotions that are really kind of, funny sometimes, and you cannot explain, and they come and go. So what happens? You have to be able to control what is, let's say, bad, and you have to keep what is good and strong for you. Okay? So when you get into habits, we have usually when we trade, we start with bad habits, because that is just how we react. We lose a trade, we don't like it, we want to make the money back, we get into revenge trading, we risk too much, account is dead, and we start from scratch. That is something experienced traders know about, and we have all experienced that. Okay, the trick is to really set some rules, have some rules, follow the rules, but not only technically, really feeling it, that is good for you. And there are tricks to do that, and that is what we teach here. Okay? So when you get this part, you get into that path, let's say, and you start getting good at this, you get over your fears and you become strong and you have a lot of confidence, then you take the technical part and you take the emotional part and you have to kind of put it together. The whole magic happens when it gets together. Also, of course, your thoughts. And this is something that sometimes is just as it is. There are days you wake up, we have a slogan, we say every morning we wake up, we have to say, okay, what a wonderful, great day, what a wonderful morning, so you can start with good and positive energy, no matter what you do, not only trading. That will guide you all day long, and you make good decisions, because with a focused mind, then you see things clear. When you sit in front of your charts, you start feeling what is good for you, you feel what is bad for you, and you have to start really going with your instinct and saying, okay, I know when I do this, that usually works. If I do that, that doesn't work. So how do I put it together? What do I have to do to make it work? Okay? This is just in a nutshell. Another important part is like your goals. When you trade, it's your personal business. You should have a trading plan. You should have to create, you know, a trading journal. It's all great, but it doesn't mean anything if you cannot connect the emotional part, you know, what you feel, your heart, your soul, and the technical part. When you connect it, it's great. If you cannot, it's a problem, so you have to solve it. You have to solve it. You have to figure out what are you good at. You know, what is working for you? Where are your strong parts and the weak parts? Okay, it's not bad to work on the weak parts and support whatever is strong. In combination with passion, I can tell you right up front, if you don't have passion for trading, if you just do it because you want to make money, it won't work, not for long. So make sure that trading is for you. Okay, what I said before, what we really need is, in your plan you have long-term goals and you have short-term goals. And long-term goal is something that is easy to figure out, because you say, okay, what do I really want? I want long-term success, meaning I need money. I don't want to work at my job anymore, or I want to do it as a second thing. It doesn't matter if it's a full-time trading career or it's just partly. It is still your personal business, okay? And you have to treat it like one. So what you have to create is a long-term goal. Let's say I want to be financial free in the next 10 years because of that and that. Okay, the because is the important part. Okay, now most important is the short-term goal, because the short-term goal is that one thing that gives you the boost, the energy that keeps you alive. If you only think about what happens in 10 days or 10 years, you're really missing the point, because you are living right now. You want to enjoy life right now. So you need short-term goals. A short-term goal for trader is something that ideally you do for yourself, not for your friends, or to show off, or to, I don't know, drive a big car next month to show, wow, look what I have achieved. No, this is not a short-term goal. A short-term goal is something that you really have passion for, that you really have fun and enjoy. Okay, so when we trade, what we need to do, or when we have a plan ready and we start making our trades, and it doesn't matter if you're a new trader or if you're trading for 30 years, if you don't have your short-term goal that gives you that boost, okay, it is difficult. It will be difficult, and it doesn't have to be difficult. A short-term goal, for instance, for me is, something I want, like a swimming pool. I build it here. I show it to you another time, or something that makes you happy. For instance, taking out your girlfriend or your wife into a good restaurant. You eat good food for one day. A small short-term goal, maybe. What's the cost of this? $200. Okay, so your next short-term goal is to get out into that fancy restaurant and make those $200 or whatever from trading. So you can have it in your mind when you do your top-down approach, meaning if you look and sit in front of your charts and you want to trade, okay, you have to be focused. You analyze the charts on this part and on that part. You have your short-term goal. So you make good decisions, and you know that if I mess it up big time, not one or two trades, but the whole plan, if I don't follow my plan, I don't get to my goal, to my short-term goal, which means no money and no results. No results, you will not have much fun when you trade anymore. Okay, so very, very, very important to combine all that. And I just really gave you like a few, parts of it, so you start understanding. This is the important thing, and this is what you have to create and what you have to build to get good habits, technical habits, nice thoughts, good emotions, to make trading work for you long term. So the common mistake is having a long-term goal, focusing on that, and not living the moment and having the short-term goals. Okay, many important things here. And we figured that out over the years, because when we started, yes, we made some money, sometimes we enjoyed it, sometimes not. And I was always thinking, what is missing? What is going on? What do I have to fix? Okay, and I see that when I talk to students, when I talk to people on Skype, or via email, it's always the same issue, the connection between the technical part and the soul and the brain and the passion, all those things combined, the puzzle. Okay, if you get it together, it's so powerful. Okay, now I could start talking here for you forever, but we'll leave it as it is. Below on the website you will find you can sign up for free. We have free courses down there, and we have programs for new traders, for more advanced traders. We have a live trading room. We also have like private mentorship in small groups, personal mentorship, which means one-on-one. It's more advanced. I mean, it's personal. It is for new traders, for experienced traders. Everything we have to offer is there to really help you achieve your trading goals, your targets, long term. Short term, of course, but long term, I mean, for the mindset to become a professional trader, to enjoy trading and have fun with it. So that's it. Please, below you can see all the details. We're also on Facebook. We have a fan page there, which is updated. We have closed Facebook groups for premium members, but really just take a look below on this website for details. So if you need anything, you want to contact us, you want to talk to us because you need help, we want to help you. We really enjoyed our goal. The goal of the school is to really boost everybody's results long term. Again, I say that word, long term. Short term to keep it moving, and long term to really achieve something different. To have, not only to make money one or two times, but really long-term making profits from the markets. It doesn't matter if you want Forex or stocks or whatever, okay? See you soon. Thank you very much, and bye for now.